Hello, my name is Braindead. I train every day. One try hacker, one new skill. Always ethical, and by 30, I'll be a professional hacker. Today is day 75 of my try hack me streak. I'm doing Rabbit Store. Demonstrate your web application testing skills and the basics of Linux to escalate your privileges. And I'm looking for two flags. I'm looking for user.txt and root.txt. Let's start with a Rust scan. Okay, I found 3 ports, it looks like 2280 and 4369. I am going to split this, and I'm going to do an nmap scan. SC for default scripts, SV for service versions. I'm selecting these ports: 2280, 4369, 25672, 1065, 182, 212. And I'm going to output all of this to an nmap results file. And since we found a port 80, let's do a Ferox Buster. Because port 80 is an HTTP web server. So let's figure out what directories are on this web server. I'm using a classic word list that's built into seclists. Discovery, web content, and there's one that's just called big.txt. All right, that's gonna keep going there. Let's run. Whoops, I gotta learn my termux a bit better here. This, nope. Okay, I actually got an error trying to Ferox Buster this. So I'm gonna make this a bit bigger here, and let's go to this website URL. Okay, so it's actually redirected to cloudsite.thm. I already put this in my Etsy hosts. I just put the IP address in, and I just set the DNS to cloudsite.thm. There's also a subdirectory here called storage.cloudsite.thm that I already put in. So, if we look at the pages here, I might actually run a nicto on this too. Okay, I'm going to run a nicto on. Let's actually review the what we found. So we found 22. We found port 80, which is running Apache HTTPD 2.4.52. We found port 4369, which is running Erlang port mapper daemon, and port 25672. So let me just see if I could find any correlation between those ports. I'd imagine there definitely is. RabbitMQ clustering. Erlang makes use of a port mapper daemon for resolution of node names in clusters. Nodes must be able to reach each other. I'm going to run nicto real quick while I'm reading all this, because nicto takes a bit of time. Cloudsite.thm. Okay. I also did want that to output. Well, it's okay. I'll just copy and paste it. So what is this? Ask netstat if they could see it. Okay, so it's like a port mapper, it looks like, or something like such as that. Pen testing. Okay, let's see what this has yielded. This is hack tricks too, or like whatever version of hack tricks this person has. So let me see if I can make that any bigger here. Serves as a coordinator for distributed Erlang. What is going on here? Am I not typing this right? What? Nicto? Like, I feel like I shouldn't be getting all these errors here. Cloudsite.thm, word list, sec list, discovery, web content. Ugh, come on. Like, is going on? What? Okay, I figured it out. Okay, so we're gonna run nicto cloudsite.thm. Alright, and I'm gonna have those running while I continue to read this stuff. So, I mean, we VN. Okay, I almost want to make another terminal here just to even try and what X0, what are these characters? Is this CMD or something? Or I don't even know. I can see VN 1065 182 212 4369. Open name rabbit at port 25672. I wonder what that means. Script EPMD info. Oh. There's a nmap script for this. Port 4369 182. I guess it just auto ran though. I mean, I saw the okay. So I don't really care much for it. So there's a rabbit node. So remote. If you could leak the authentication code, you will be able to execute code on the host. Usually this cookie is located in Erlang. That cookie is generated by the Erlang at the first start. Okay, so I need the cookie. The authentication code. Okay. So without the authentication code, though, I can't do jack shit. Okay, so I'm back to kind of square run here. So I'm gonna exit out of this and let that run. And let's see what Ferox Buster detected. Anything of use? I think I saw assets. JavaScript. Config-css. Okay, well, we got some directories to check out here. I just want to look through here to see if I see anything. Obviously, we got some assets. Blog. You know what? I'm going to make a new tab so we could visit the assets. Smart Eye apps. Script.javascript, anything that looks cool here. Ready function for our, if W is greater than 767, scroll to fixed. Okay, just a bunch of nonsense. Let's go to assets. I don't know if we can get the assets, but okay, we can. SCSS. Is this a CSS? JavaScript. Plugins. Script. Oh, that's what I just went to. Web fonts. This might just be nonsense. I think this is just a CSS script. I didn't really want to download it. I think that's just a CSS script. What else we got? Storage. Okay, so we go to login. Okay. Let's see if... Okay, I got Burp Suite open here. Let's turn on proxy. And I'm going to turn Foxy Proxy on my Firefox browser. Okay, now I want to do that just to see if whatever this replies to me with. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, and I could do this. Oh, whoops, maybe not. This. There we go. So this is, I just have a GET request that's going to cloudsite.thm. And this is, can I move a mouse? There we go. Let me just see if I see anything that looks cool, but I don't think I'm going to find much here. So far, it's all pretty standard. Okay, and then there's just, okay, so nothing there. I wonder if I could try, let me get out of here. We could probably drop this. Well, I didn't need to drop it, but, let me go to a storage one. And let's, okay, we're gonna make an account. Yeah, you.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Register. Okay, good, I got it. Okay, let's send this to the repeater. And let's make this bigger. Okay, so I'm just sending this to API, register. And it's just telling me it's been made successfully. Okay. So I got yeah and I got at ye. I need to save that because I'm not going to ever remember that. Proxy, let's forward this. Oh, because I... What? I don't even know what's happening right now. How could a user... How could that username possibly exist? Like, I'm making it right now. Forward. Anything? JWT. Let me zoom in here. Okay. I have a cookie that doesn't want to listen to me. Come on. Come on. What is going on? Let me look at this cookie. JWT. Just JWT. I could take off proxy. Okay, I think I might actually have done this before. Let me look at my notes real quick for JWT. JWT tampering? Okay. Decoder? Let's look up Decoder. I've used this website before. Oh, I need a secret string. Okay, so I might be stumped here. Let me see if I can make that any bigger for you guys. So there's a subscription field here that says inactive. And I can't edit that without. Wait. Okay, let me make a new. Oh my god, that's bright. No. Sign up. Really cool guy at cool.com. Let's copy that. Let's get into my notes. What is this called? Rabbit store. How do I... Whatever. Rabbit store. Okay, I'm just gonna save that username. We're gonna make the password 56. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What a great password. All right. I want to send this to proxy though. Intercept. Okay, register. And now I want to actually, if we go back to my this, and I put this here. Right. And then this subscription active. I don't know if that would do it. That was kind of a guess. JSON.parse unexpected character at line 1, column 1 of the JSON data. Unexpected. Let me try this again. Register. Let me send this to repeater this time. Repeater. And oh, comma. Huh. What was this? Subscription? Active. Send. I think I was just missing the comma. Yeah, I was just missing the comma. So let's do that. Let's go back to proxy. And we're going to forward that. I don't know if you guys could have saw that. I didn't zoom in. I just realized I was so in the zone. I'll zoom in real quick. All I did was add subscription active, and I just got a user registered successfully. And the reason I got the subscription field was from when I decoded this JSON file, I saw that this is what it decoded to. So let's just see what happens. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't even... Who knows? How does this user possibly exist? I don't even know what's happening. But anyway, we got a really cool guy here with that. This is the password. If the user really does exist, I should be able to log in. Am I on proxy still? Ah. Womp womp. Can I get a womp womp? Forward. Oh, sweet. Okay. So, we have a upload from localhost, which is oh, would this show up in the assets? Would that show up here? Let me do a test. I don't even know. Try hack me. I don't have a payload immediately available. I might have a payload actually. Downloads. Let's just do this first. Let's just upload flag.txt. Image upload is success. Oh my god. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, but that didn't... Oh, is it storage? Do I gotta do that from storage? Storage dot... Yeah. Found that found. So that was it. That was it. Okay, okay. So wait, storage dot... Ah, sweet. What? I don't know why it downloaded it like that, but hopefully that executes when I try to do it. So obviously we're going to just go into my downloads and probably this one. Nope, can't do that one. Reverse. Can I do this one? No. This one. One of these is going to be the right one here. I should just download a new one. Oh my god. Oh, it's right. Is this it? Nope. Nope. Jeez, why did that take me? So 3. 192, 44, 1337. I'll just quickly show you guys. Just entering these parameters. This is obviously PHP reverse shell in PHP by Pentest Monkey. I'm gonna save this as reverse shell that. Go my terminal here, and I'm just gonna type in the classic NC LVNP. We're gonna do that. That's my listener, and we're gonna just upload my file here, which was PHP reverse shell 3. Hopefully that's what it was. I think it was though. Upload. Okay, and now there's a link right here. Now, will this work? I really hope it does. Big money. Please. You know what? I don't want to actually do it there. I want to do it, storage.cloudsite.thm. We could do that. I downloaded it, though. I have to get to execute instead of download. How do I get it to execute instead of download? Okay, I was like searching through what I could, but I don't think I'm finding that. However, we did find this directory API, which means I might as well just Ferox it, which is http stores.cloudsite.thm/dashboard/hp. No, it wasn't that. It was /API. And we can just do this. Seclist, discovery, web, content. So that should find some stuff for. That should find. So that should. Oh my gosh, I spelled wordless wrong. Okay, so that should find us something, hopefully. Unless this is really the only path. I don't know how I can get that to execute. Because download. I can't make curl? curl will probably be weird, though. I don't think that would work. Right? Would curl work? It got like nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, wait. Login, docs, API/docs. Can I get in? Oh, access denied. But is that because of the cookie? Could I? There's a login page. Get method not allowed. Alright, returning back on my proxy here. Boop, boop. Okay, let's send this to the repeater. And obviously it's not going to accept that, so let's do options. I'll make that bigger. I just changed that. It responded back with the get, head, and post. I don't know. Sorry, head. Whatever. Post. Internal server. What? Get method not allowed. But when I do options, it clearly says it's allowed. Let's do, what was it, docs? Okay, let's do a get. No, just access denied. Post. Cannot post API docs. Okay, let's go back to my terminal, see if I saw anything else. There's so many uploads. API uploads. Cannot post into that. Get. I got a 200 when I tried this. Uploads. Forward. Oh, no, but that's not what I want to forward for this. Forward. Okay, is there nothing in here? There's just nothing in here. So, okay. Where are we at here? I have these directories. 401. .403. So docs. If I go back here, I do docs. What did I get? I got access denied. I don't know how I didn't see this, but there's a whole other one here that says upload from URL. So I'm kind of curious if I just type http storage.cloudsite.thm API docs. Am I able to just download this? Storage. I always make the same mistake. Oop. I don't even know what type of file this is. I have 27 bytes though. So what is it? 0B5. Move download 0 to here. I don't even know what to do for this thing. Oh my god, it just says access denied. What a troll. What a troll. Okay, so clearly that was not it. Okay, so the default port for this appears to be 3000. So, oh, I got rid of it. Is it repeater still? So I can see right, oh, there's no chance you guys can see that. If you see like here, it says X powered by Express. So I just looked up Express default port. I don't know if this is even gonna work, but 44, 127, 3000? Does that make any sense? Yeah, I didn't think that was gonna work. Do I do actually HTTP or is this like the JWT token? Instead of that, it's this URL HTTP 127.7.1 3000 and then that. Did I type that wrong? Send? Okay, I have a different idea. I'm gonna try this. And I'm gonna just do this. If I go to this, I think I just got to type this again. HTTP storage.cloudsite. I just upload that. I'm gonna just click there for to make my life easier. I still don't know what that is, but whatever. Was that a D? Hopefully that was a D. I don't remember. Okay, good. Strings D. Oh! Did we get it this time? API register for uploading files via URL. Fetch messages from chatbot. API fetch messages from chatbot. Currently the chatbot is under development. Once development is complete, it'll be used in the future. So, get methods not allowed. Okay, probably remove this. What does this tell me? The document was moved, has moved from chatbot here. What? The document has moved. Cloudsite.th. I'm just going to start a whole new request here because I'm confused. We're gonna do this. Boom. Let's send this to repeater. Send. Okay, and I'm guessing it wants a post request. But that got an error. What? Get head post. But what am I supposed to post to this? Yes. Okay. content type application JSON. Is that right? I don't think this. Oh, user parameters required. Yes. I'm guessing it's a password parameter. Sorry, yes. That just repeated it back to me, didn't it? That's repeating it back to me. Server side. Is this SSTI? Is that what it is? If we stumble upon it, we can. Okay, let's try a basic test here. See if that's SSTI. Please. What? Yeah, it's SSTI. Okay. Okay, we gotta figure out what if it's Jinja or if it's Twig. Hype ID. Come on, www. Ah! Dude, yes. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, ls. How do I get? So. Okay, I'm just gonna use this real quick to see if I can get user.text. That was easy. Cat user.text. Sweet. Oh, could you guys see that? I forgot Burp Suite's so small. So I have this payload. Is I was using Jinja 2, and Jinja 2. This is just the SSTI payload. This allowed me command execution, and now I got the flag. Okay, so we're just entering this flag into try hack me. Now I think we should probably try to get reverse shell. I think that might be the easiest way to do this. Oh, I just got the 76-day streak. Woo, let's go. Okay, let's see. What's the easiest way to get reverse shell here? Bash C. Come on, where is it? Bash.c. Okay, so I think I can just do this. Hopefully I can just do this. Repeater. I just need to see this go through more than anything. Then before turning on my listener, and then I'll send this as a full request. Send. What did why did it do that? Oh, duh. I'm a jackass. I'm supposed to do this. And what did that just do for me? Okay, send. Template syntax error. Expected token. I need a URL encode this. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? I keep forgetting that Burp Suite's so tiny. SH. Now I don't know what this hashtag is. Is this necessary? I'm gonna say no. And then I'm gonna just encode this to URL. And it did. No, it didn't do it. encode as URL. There we go. So I got all this jazz, but it doesn't really matter. I don't need to understand the jazz. This has to understand the jazz. So if we paste that in, send it. Come on, come on. No error, no error. Okay. Okay. So, let me turn on my 1337. That's my listener. I'm going to copy this payload here. Target. Nope. Proxy. I have so much garbage here. Where is it? What is all this I should have did a scope when I did this. So this requires a post. I had to change the content type to application JSON. And then I had to make this and then boom. Bash. Come on. Did I have my listener open? Please. Did I get it? I messed something up. Where am I even at here? Oh, sorry, our chatbot. Oh, but I got a comma. Damn it, that's where I messed up. Okay, let's go back here. I messed up because I had a comma somewhere extra. Why do I have an extra comma? Where is my reverse shell for this? Bypass in attack box run. Come on. Oh, I actually just gave myself shell. But I didn't realize it was just gonna work. But yeah, I just used the classic payload for reverse shell here. So I'm just going to take off the zoom here so we can do stuff here. Okay, great. Can I let's stabilize the shell here. Why am I drawing a blank? Oh, because I'm typing Python 3 import putty.spawn. Oh, this might not have Python anyway. Oh no, it does. Okay, so we got Asriel is our whatever temp. So sudo-l. Can I do anything? Nope. This is a capital L, but I don't think it's a capital L. Yeah, it wasn't a capital L. I'm gonna exit out of this. I'm gonna make this a slightly bigger. There we go. Can I make this? Nope. No. Okay, great. So, you know what? I might actually need that. Let's go here. I'm just bringing over linpeas so we could take care of the privilege escalation piece here. Linpeas. What am I? I can't backspace either. So I better not make any mistakes. Okay, terminal froze. Okay, I think it just unfroze. There we go. Linpeas fat. Oh my god, I typed the wrong. Oh, whatever. It's actually really easy for me to reconnect to this. Boop. Okay, great. Oh, nope, I just got a bad request. Definitely copying that. What's going on? Come on. Please load. Don't tell me I have to terminate it. No, don't make me terminate it. Send. Why is it saying bad request? Let me do a new request to this then. So let's proxy. I need to drop all this. Is ridiculous. Okay. Oh my god, what is this spam? Why am I getting spam so hard? I need to turn my proxy on here. Boop. Okay. Let's send this boy to the repeater. Let's just paste this so I don't have to do any of that shenanigans again. Why does that look weird? What is going on here? Why does that look so weird? What the hell? What the hell's going on here? Send? Oh, okay, great. Okay, then... okay, I guess we're sending it back. Right, I need to stabilize this better. Cancel, send. Python 3 import putty. Ah, yes. The great. Oh, whoops! I didn't have my listener on. Okay, Python 3 import putty.spawn, then bash that. What's going on here? Who am I? What? I keep doing it. LMVMP. Come on, let's get the reverse shell already. Jeez. And then, got ls. Why is it frozen? Let's not do this one then. Let's do cancel. And let's just copy this. And we'll just go resend the request. And I need to cancel. Send. ls. Oh my god. Target proxy, whatever. Boom. I need to turn. Nope. Forward. Okay, ls. Oh my god, I gotta restart the room. Okay, we finally got that going here. That was finally got that stabilized. I still got my shell. Oh nope, I gotta put my shell back on. To get linpies, we're gonna go over to temp. We're gonna do a wget on my session here and grab over linpies. As you can see, I can backspace now. Why is that a bad port number? That was weird. What the hell's weird? That's lost focus. 42, 100, linpies, fat boy, sh. Alright, we're grabbing that. Okay, now we're just gonna make it executable. I'm just gonna make that one a bit smaller. Don't need it just this moment. Yeah, let's just execute it and see what we get. So at the start of this video, I found that Erlang port, and now I have a cookie for it. So I think I might be able to get into... I didn't realize Limpies was still running. But I think I might be able to get into that Rabbit account if I could find that cookie again. Okay. I have to somehow find that cookie again. Okay. Okay, cool. We got the cookie. So I'm going to try to go into MSF console here, because I think there might be a module inside of Metasploit specifically for this Erlang thing. Search Erlang. And I think it's right there. Let me use 9. Use 9. Let's pull this a little higher up there, because I just need the cookie. Okay, so lhost, what are we? SSR cookie. Oh my god. Set cookie IP9SUP0EH. I don't know why I'm not just copying and pasting this. Basriel. Okay. Our hosts. What is this? IP address. Why am I not on the Try Hack Me site anymore? Oh, there it is. And I have proxy open still. Okay, that's the IP. Great. Oh my god. Oh. Did I not press copy on this? Set our hosts. Okay, what else do I gotta fill out here? Yes. I don't know what this serve host thing is. Whatever. Run? Okay, let me just see what happens. Authentication failed. Why did it fail? Let me copy. Oh, you know what? I see. I see. Let me go there. Okay. This is what the cookie actually is. Set. No. Whoops. Please. Down. Set cookie. Is that it? Set cookie? There we go. Let's try that. Due to authentication failure. Let me what was I doing? Sudo nano, let's see, hosts. Looks like this forge, just in case. I don't think that would have been the reason why, but Authentication failed. Is that really not the cookie? What are the odds? Is this literally this? No. Oh, it's missing a B. That's why. Boop. No A. There's no A. I'm missing something else too. What is going on here? B. Okay, set cookie. Hopefully that's. But it's still. There we go. Beautiful. Run. Sweet. I think we got. Okay, we're opening up Meterpreter here, or Meterpreter. I don't know how the proper way to say it is. I'm just gonna call it Meterpreter. Meterpreter. All right, now if we could just get the shell here. Oh, I already have the shell. I'm actually gonna do a shell here. I don't like Meterpreter. Am I good? Sweet. Okay, I might just have to stabilize this. I'm guessing. I don't know if I have to stabilize. This actually kind of looks normal. ls sudo -l. Nope. I'm gonna guess I probably don't have much. Nope. Home LSLA. How did I get this user? Okay, what okay. And I still have my WinP's fat here, so I don't know what's going on. WinP's fat.sh. I need to stabilize this so I could actually xterm. Does that work? Oh my god. What did I just do? Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to stop this. What is going on? No. No. Okay, let's do that. Echo foreground. Can I do this? Damn it. Now, what was the advantages of having that though? Okay, what, whoops. Control B1? What the hell? What the hell is going on here? Stop. Okay, so let's just try that again. Oops. Okay. I need to figure out what's going on here. Let's open this back up. Sessions. Oh my god. What happened to my shell? I just tossed that shell into like... Oh my god. Whatever. Search Erlang. Use 9. ls. Why am I using ls? Set lhost. And then set our hosts. Set our hosts. What I don't even know what the hell it is. That. Set cookie to, oh my god, what, can I even find the cookie? Oh, thank god. There we go. And control B2, paste that. Okay, let's run. Hopefully this gives me our interpreter again as Rabbit Man or whatever it was. What? Oh, I gotta change my L port. Because that other shell is just, I don't even know what happened to it. So we're just gonna do a shell. Oh, okay. I think we're good here. Right? Do I have to just type something? Okay. Can I backspace? Nope. Let me do an export term equals x term rows 40 columns 120 and then I have to background the shell, but ah. Fix your local terminal. Should I not just type no? Oh, okay, good. You have a child, so that, what the hell are you talking about? Python 3 import buddy. Oops. Oh my god. Python 3. Oh my goodness. Wait, dot spawn. Bin. Python 3 import putty dot spawn bin dot bash. Whoa. I feel like I didn't do anything. Nope. I'll be honest, the backspace is a little annoying. Okay, whatever. Let's just... let's bring over linps. So I'm gonna go back in here and we're gonna go to try hack me. Okay, ls, let's go to temp, remove linps fat boy. Yup, I didn't think I could. So good. What a pain. I have to get everything completely correct when I'm typing now. Alright, that grabbed this. I don't know what difference I'm gonna find here, but hopefully it's something good. Okay, I'll let that run. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a new user with the Erlang here. So rabbit mqctl. Oh my god. Did I just mess it up? Ooh, thank goodness. Rabbit mqctl, add a user, big boy 123. Alright. See, set permissions. I just had it up, which was change user, set user administrator. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Set rabbit to set user tags big boy administrator. Okay. Okay, now so API users. List users. Rabbit mqctl list users. Yes, rabbit mqctl list. Oh my god, what a pain. Root and big boy. The password for the root user is in the SHA-256 hash value of the rabbit. Please don't attempt to crack. Okay, so we gotta get the rabbit MQ's root user's password. So how the hell am I supposed to get that? Okay. So I actually have to curl it. We could disconnect. I just want to look at my Ferox again for rabbit store. Did I? Oh, I didn't keep the Ferox, did I? I just wanted to do this real quick. What is this? Storage.cloudsite.thm API. just want to see if I saw a users. Because I don't really remember seeing a users. Curl. Big. Oh, I shouldn't have made a character with a space in it. I didn't. Big boy. What the hell did I even set the password to? Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this guy. What in the world? Okay. I can't say I would have known that, but So we have the SHA-256 hash somewhere here. Is this the no root password hash? And it says don't try to crack the hash. So I'm guessing it doesn't want me to waste my time. So there's a quotation mark at the end. Okay. So convert hash to SHA-256. Is that what I want to do? What did it say? So I gotta I think I gotta crack this password first. I think. But it's also telling me don't damn it. Unrecognized format. 49. That'd definitely be a hash. I googled it and found this. Oh, jeez. Now, it says don't. Please don't attempt to crack SHA-256. What the This is salted? Oh my god. Okay. So base 64 rabbit MQ hash. Oh, was I supposed to base 64 first? Okay, I could base 64 it, but I don't even have the hash saved. I could grab the hash though. Here, we'll do this, I need to what? Encode it? What is going on here? So I found a command. I don't think it's a command I ever possibly could have figured out, but it's a command. Okay, we could echo this base64 decode. I don't know what these stuff means, but Perl, what the fruit loop is this? $$ 2. Okay, what the hell is that? What? Please don't attempt to crack SHA-256. I googled a bit. I'm gonna try this again. But that was wait. No, it's base64. But maybe it has to be base64. And he did base64 xxd prc 28 cut C9, and I get that, which it is what 0 then I got this number 343-96536. The password for the root user is the SHA-256 value, hash value of the rabbit. What is the I still don't know the IP address for this room. Whatever. No. Let's exit this. Come on, exit. Yeah. Exit. Rabbit store ls cat hash dot text. And it must be this. I wish I could actually see this part. I don't know what it's pasting. Okay, that's perfect actually. Oh, maybe it no. Right, and then I do a boot.text, boot.text. What a beautiful root.txt. What did I just do? Oh, because I didn't put echo. SSH root. I feel like I have to type this. I don't want to type it, but I don't even know if I messed up. There's no chance that's right. What am I missing? I'm trying to figure out how to crack this thing. Oh. Wait. All we need to do is run the following command to convert it. Do I even have it still? Yeah, right there. This. Okay. Whatever. Echo. We're gonna call this hash. Just in case I need that shit again. And then base 64 decode xxd 100. Okay. Now we could paste this to switch user to root after removing the beginning. Wait. I don't have to remove the beginning. Because I think that might have been the problem. I don't know why I had to remove the beginning. But that is likely why I can't get into this. Weird. No, SSH root 66 144 158. I don't know. Oh my god. Did I get it? I don't even know where I pasted it into, to be honest. I have to type this. There's no way I could type that. I'm gonna try that. I'm totally lost. What the hell is happening here? Okay, that's broken. Can I just... What the hell is happening? I can't even type into this. No. To... I don't know what's happening. Why is this not working? I'm gonna erase whatever's there. I'm gonna erase this. Paste. Paste clipboard. Wait, what the fuck? Why is that my clipboard? Paste selection? Bro, what is happening right now? What are these numbers? Paste. Clip. These are totally wrong numbers. Okay, 295 D1 D1. I have no idea. Oh my god. This is insane. Like, I have the password. I don't know why this isn't working. You know what? Let me do this. Password. And then home app. Password. Okay. There we go. Okay. Do it again. Okay, good. SSH. Root. Dude, what is happening? This is frustrating. Oh my god, that took forever. I had to redo Metasploit. Once I got the shell, I just immediately switched to root. Okay, where am I at here? Woo. Oh my goodness. Watch how this doesn't even work. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.